Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about India's foreign policy with other countries. India's foreign policy seeks the safeguard of countries' enlightened self-interest. The primary objectives of India's foreign policy is to promote and maintain peaceful and stable external environment in which domestic tasks of inclusive economic development and poverty alleviations can progress rapidly without obstacles. The government of India to socio-economic development in all aspects. India has vital stake to supportive external environment both in our region and globally. India therefore seeks peacefully and works good neighborly relations in its extended neighborhood. India's foreign policy also recognizes that issues such climatic change and energy and food security that are crucial in India's transformation are global and require global cooperative solutions. Now we are going to learn about SAARC and Asian East policy and others. India relation with foreign countries. India's position is unique in its neighborhood. India has always favored international and regional cooperation because she believes that through cooperation all disputes and problems among nations can be sorted out peacefully. India's foreign policy is based on the principle of developing friendly relations and cooperation with her neighbors. India shares common land border with Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Burma. It also shares common sea border with Sri Lanka. India is a vast country with Pakistan and Afghanistan to the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan to the north, Bangladesh to the east, Myanmar to the far east, Sri Lanka in southeast and Maldives in southwest. Neighborhood first policy. It is a part of India's foreign policy that actively focuses on improving ties with India's immediate neighbors. India provides neighbors with support as needed in the form of resources, equipment, and training. Greater connectivity and integration is provided so as to improve the free flow of goods, people, energy, capital, and information. It is part of India's foreign policy that actively focuses on improving ties with India's immediate neighbors, which is being termed as neighborhood first policy in the media. It was started well by inviting all heads of state, head of government of South Asian countries in his inauguration of Prime Minister first term and later held bilateral talks with all of them individually, which was dubbed as Mini SAARC Summit. Act East Policy. Southeast Asia begins with Northeast India. Myanmar is our land bridge to the countries of the Association of the Southeast Asian Nations. The purpose is to ensure a stable and multipolar balance of power in the Indo-Pacific and become an integral part of Asia. India is actively engaged in general economic diplomacy with its neighboring countries as below. Promote economic cooperation, cultural ties, and develop strategic relationship with countries in Asia Pacific region through continuous engagement at regional, bilateral, and multilateral levels. Second one, to increase the interactions of northeastern Indian states with other neighboring countries. Much of India's Look East policy involves Myanmar, which is the only Southeast Asian country that shares a border with India and seen as India's gateway to Southeast Asia. SAARC, the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, is the regional intergovernmental organization and geopolitical union of states in South Asia. Its member states are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, the Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. India believes in regional cooperation to foster the bonds of brotherhood, cooperation, and peaceful coexistence. SAARC was established. SAARC Secretariat was established in Kathmandu on 16th January 1987 by Bangladesh diplomat of Abul Hassan, who was the first Secretary General and was inaugurated by King Brindra Bikram Shah of Nepal. Since its creation, its member nations have contributed to total 14th General Secretariat. BCIM. The 2,800 km BCIM corridor proposes to link Kunming in China and Yunnan province in Kolkata, passing through nodes such as Mandalay in Myanmar and Dhaka in Bangladesh before heading to Kolkata. The Bangladesh, China, India, Myanmar economic corridor envisages the formatting the thriving economic belt, focusing on cross-border transport, energy and telecommunication networks. BIMSTEC. It refers Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. Its main objectives are to strengthen and improve the technological economic cooperation, international trade and foreign direct investment cooperation. The member countries are Bangladesh, India, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Bhutan and Nepal. BBIN. Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal has signed a framework to enable movement of passengers, cargo vehicles and for energy development. To summarize, India is a huge country with manifold cultures. It has high status in Southeast Asia. India's foreign policy is to maintain peace, freedom and mutual cooperation among the nations. Though India is not any major military alliance, our relations with major power have occurred in strategic depth. The Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal initiative is sub-regional architecture of countries in East and South Asia. The sub-region of South Asia, it meets through official representation of member states to formulate, implement and review quadrilateral agreement across areas such as water resources management, connectivity, power, transport and infrastructure. Thank you, students.